I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me.
Hi, in this video, we will show you how to add AE effects on video using Wondershare Filmora video editor. In here, I have one video clip, and I will add the AE effects on the side of this person. In the newest version of Filmora video editor, in 11.3, we can easily add AE effects to make our video looks professional. For example, in here, you can select the effects tabs and choose AE portrait. And in here, we will try the effect using burning body 1. And the second, let's try using flashing outline 7. And you can see the results. This is very beautiful, and you can export this video, but you need to buy this effect because this is for premium effects. If in here is any diamond icon, you need to purchase it. Okay, hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching.